Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making this console your home Xbox so licenses transfer, sign in and set it under Settings, Personalization. Then download the games and all updates now because offline play needs installed content and current patches. Make sure the drive has room and the controller is charged. This prevents interruptions. Once done, switch power settings to Instant On so the console can quickly resume. These steps ensure you have the necessary licenses, files, and power to play without internet. Now you verify licenses and profiles. Add the account that purchased the games and sign in so entitlement data caches locally. Check My Games and Apps to confirm each title shows installed. If it appears as trial or demo, you won't be able to play offline. Launch each game once while online. This transfers license tokens and checks DLC. If the game asks to verify ownership, follow prompts now so you avoid being blocked later. These steps make the console recognize you as the licensed owner. Finally, disconnect the network and launch your game to confirm offline play for single-player content. This proves the license and files are working. If the game blocks you, reconnect, sign in, reassert home Xbox, then reboot the console that refreshes license tokens. Make sure to sync cloud saves while online before going offline or back up to an external drive to preserve progress. If DLC is missing, download it while online. Once everything is validated, you'll be able to play offline reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.